Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Masser, along with Tim Stanovic. Let's get to some stocks on the move on this Friday. With us is Bloomberg News cross-asset reporter Isabel Lee. Isabel, the Mag 7, always front and center, and you've got two that you are watching, Alphabet and Amazon.
Alphabet and Amazon, and both are kind of moving in opposite directions. Amazon shares are down by almost 1%, while Alphabet is up by 0.3%. So both are reacting to the FTC investigating whether they both misled advertisers that place ads on their website. That's according to people familiar with the matter. So the probes mark a front in the regulatory scrutiny, even as these tech companies try to win the approval of President Donald Trump. So judges overseeing two Justice Department cases against Google have already found that the company has illegal monopolies in online search. And I think this is also very topical because digital advertising has really overtaken offline advertising. And it's really just becoming a big deal, especially with vast troves of consumer data that online ads can target. I mean, even with us in news, it's one thing to have a print story, but online is where you think things live forever.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't have a good segue. I was like, you got so insider baseball there at the end when talking about these tech companies. Let's go sort of old school here. Warner Brothers Discovery.
Warner Brothers Discovery shares are higher by 20%. The ticker is WBD. So they're extending a Thursday rally after Paramount Skydance is said to be preparing a bid for the company. So this is the Hollywood studio taken over by filmmaker David Ellison, the son of Oracle's Larry Ellison. So Paramount shares are also slightly up. So Barclays says if this deal goes through, it will be a significant strategic positive for both companies. And a merger would combine companies with recognizable movies and TV shows, and again, shrink legacy media studios from 4 to 5.
This stock is on a tear this week, and it's up like 60%. I get it. I mean, when you jump as much as you have.
What does this mean for David Zaslav?
I have no idea.
I would imagine a pay package if this deal goes through.
And to be
if the deal goes through.
Those who watch his compensation would say he's been pretty good.
Yeah,
his compensation
I think it's fair to say, yeah.
Yeah. All right, one more. We've got to ask you about Gemini. It's something we've been talking about. It's been trading for about an hour now, and this is one of the IPOs in a very, very busy week.
Very busy week. The ticker is GEMI. The stock is up by more than 20%. And this is a great deal for the company because the crypto exchange raised more than $400 million in a packed week for U.S. listings. And this is founded in 2014 by Winklevoss twins, or some call them Winklevi. And Gemini has more than $21 billion of assets in the platform. So the IPO, again, comes as a busy week, which could be good or bad because maybe it shows that appetite may be fatigued. But again, this shows that no, you still see a hunger, you still see appetite. And Gemini joins a rush of crypto listings that we saw this year, from stablecoin issuer Circle to crypto exchange Bullish. So I think people are really excited for Gemini Space Station, with shares jumping.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.